Hi, good morning. My name is Ervina Febrianti Baloga. My ID number is 71-2009-109. When I receive bad news, what comes to my heart is sadness and anxiety, which then causes panic actions in acting and doing something. News such as when I receive news of the departure of close people, especially my family, as happened when my uncle and cousin died at the same time. Moreover, the two bodies of my loved ones were playing pains in one place, namely my grandmother's house, and even that happened beyond my knowledge. However, this incident really broke my heart, and wondering why this happened to my family. What sins and mistake we did so that this incident happened at the same time. Where are you, Lord? Did you not see this incident? And do you no longer hear our prayers and requests? Really, I know that God is most gracious and also most merciful. I also know that God is power over all illness, and wondering if He loved me and my family, He would spare me from incident like this. But it turned out that what I know about God is not what I understand. Where God will not do as heavy as the grief we experience at the time. Thank you.
Anyways, my name is Teonadab, name 71 2019 113. I want to share my experience about when I received bad news and how did I feel God in a way. The first, everyone has bad news, and each person has a different solution. When I receive bad news, I think I'm unlucky person, and sometimes too I'm crying, sometimes too I hate myself. When I fix my problem, I realize I am stronger than before. How did I feel bad in a way? I think God have a new way to get closer to Him. For example, like praying. The point is, when we have bad news, don't give up to the situation and rely on God. Thank you.
Hello friends, good morning. My name is Marcelia Elizabeth Lika. My ID number is 71-2009-115. I will share my experience. Happy listening, I am the only daughter in my family. Third, I was still small. I was very loved by my father. Over time, there was a problem that occurred in my family, so that the relationship between my family and my father did not get along us before. Deep in my heart, I thought that why should all this happen in my life? Why not in other people's lives? When I was in grade 6 elementary school, I felt increasingly worried with my father's family. I had heard the conversation of my parents that the problem was actually the house demolition. Here that my father does not mean that the house that is currently occupied by my grandmother has been demolished and renovated to be new, because the house is legacy from my grandfather. An intimate relationship also occurred between me and my cousin. In my heart, I thought that could this all be resolved, but not everything went smoothly as time went by. My suggestion was in pain. The illness he suffered was quite severe. The doctor said he had heart disease. When I heard this, to be honest, I was very sad. I am afraid something will happen to him. I can only pray for his recovery. By time I was in grade 3 junior high school, my father's illness was getting critical. I asked myself again, why does God love such heavy thrills in my life? But I believe that all of this is God's way, and I can't stay in that sadness all the time. As time went on, our family relationship got better. This is all I can share from my brief experience. Thank you.
Guys, I will present the result of my reflection from reading 2 Kings 6 verse 15 to 17. My first reaction when I received bad news is loss of hope, disappointment, stress, and if the news received is too difficult, or the news of losing a close person or loved one is definitely crying. But if I am not sure about the news, I am still trying to find out the truth of the information that because sometimes I still doubt the news that is received. The second, the new way I see God when I experience a crisis is to believe that in my inability and weakness, God has a beautiful plan in my life, and in every problem, God has 1,000 ways to help me out of the problem, because He knows when I am and who I really am.
like what is mine. All those